Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Himanshu Sinodia with my partner Rohit Patel and Pransh Gupta, and we are here to present our presentation on the topic break-even charts. Next slide, please. First, we know about what is break-even point. A fixed cost is a cost that does not change over the short term, even if a business experiences change in its sales volume or other activity levels. This type of cost tends to instead be associated with a period of time, such as a rent payment in exchange for a month of occupancy or a salary payment in exchange for 2 weeks of services by an employee. Next slide, please. The two main ways we can calculate break-even output. First is we can use a formula, and then second is we can use a graph. Formula is break-even point is equal fixed cost upon bracket selling price per unit bracket close minus bracket variable cost per unit bracket close. Next slide, please. Fixed cost. Fixed costs are the predetermined expenses that remain the same throughout a specific period. These overhead costs do not vary with output or how the business performing is. The fixed cost is a cost that does not change over the short term, even if a business experiences changes in its sales volume or other activity levels. This type of cost tends to instead be associated with a period of time, such as a rent payment in exchange for a month of occupancy or a salary payment in exchange for 2 weeks of services by an employee. Selling price. The selling price of a product or service is the seller's final price. Example, how much the seller pays for something. And the selling price is the amount a buyer pays for a product or service. The price can be vary depending on how much buyers are willing to pay, how much the seller is willing to accept, and how competitive the price is in comparison to other businesses in the market. Next slide, please. Next slide will be explained by Rohit Patak.
What is variable cost? Variable cost is an expense that rise and falls in directed proportion of production value. Variable cost differ from fixed cost which remain the same even as production and sale volume change. It includes raw material, sales commission, packaging, shopping, etc. And the formula of a variable cost is total variable cost equal to total quantity of output into variable cost unit of output. Next slide. The example of break even. A businessman has a fixed cost 500 per week, variable cost 15 per product sold, and selling price is 25. And now we use break even formula, 500 upon 25 minus 15, then we get 50 units. So the business must sell 50 before 50 unit before it break even. Next slide. This is graph of break even. Green line representing revenue is the same as sales, and maroon line is representing total cost. Yellow line is representing variable cost, and orange line is representing fixed cost. Next slide. Why use break-even analysis? Number one, break-even analysis is a widely used to determine the number of units the business needs to sell in order to avoid losses. This calculation required the business to determine selling price, variable cost, and fixed cost. Once these numbers are determined, it is fairly easy to calculate break-even point in unit or sale value. Number 2, break-even chart and calculation be used for budgeting process. Since the business know exactly how many units need to be sold in order to break even. Moreover, the company is also aware of the profit the company will be able to earn at various points, which can be easily illustrated on a simple break-even chart. Next slide. Break-even analysis also help to motivate the employees, especially the sales staff since it's clearly show the profit at various of sales. The chart clearly show the impact extra sales would have on the profitability on the company. Number 4, cost control and monitoring. Since cost affecting the profitability of the business directly, the managers can easily see these changes through a break-even analysis. This would help them control cost and make sure that they remain within a given range. Number 5, help advise our pricing strategy. Selling price is an important determinant of break-even analysis. If managers have access to break-even chart, they will be able to see the impact changes in selling price on the overall profitability. Next slide will be continued by Priyanshu Gupta.
Assumption of break-even. First one is difficulties and applicability. Another important aspect of business transaction that is measured in break-even calculation is principal balance of outstanding loans. The interest being paid on all loans should be part of fixed cost, but it's so as an expense in profit and loss account. Second is graphical construction. Break-even diagram is a line graph used for break-even analysis to determine the break-even point, the point where business will make a profit or loss. Number of units are plotted on the horizontal axis and total sales cost are plotted on vertical axis. Using this diagrammatical method, break-even point can be determined by pinpointing where the two linear lines intersect. The total revenue and total cost lines are linear since prices and variable cost are assumed to be constant per unit. Third one is interpretation. It is essential that the results from break-even analysis are interpreted correctly. The information is effectively utilized to make better informed business decisions. Next slide please. Limitation of break-even analysis. First one is doesn't predict demand. Although a break-even analysis can tell you when you all break even, it doesn't give you any insight into how likely that is to happen. Second is depend on reliable data. In short, the accuracy of your break-even analysis is depend on the accuracy of your data. If your calculations are wrong or you are dealing with fluctuating cost, break-even analysis may not be the most useful tool in your arsenal. Third one is too simple. Break-even analysis is best for companies with one price point. If you have multiple products with multiple price, then break-even analysis may be too simple for your needs. Fourth one is ignore competition. Another limitation of a break-even analysis caution the fact that competitors are not factored into the equation. New entrants to the market could affect demand of your products or cause you to change your prices, which is likely to affect your break-even point. Next slide please. Thank you.